Check out this dude, man. He's like tripping. Dude, that's fentanyl. That is fentanyl. Oh my goodness. Anyway, whatever the fuck. Dude, my fucking neighbor, dude. Their vacuum. Remember I've told you guys about the vacuum cleaner? Please listen. That is a fantastic vacuum cleaner. That's got to be a Kirby. That's 300 fucking bones. Sometimes 600, depending. I myself have owned a beautiful, great Kirby vacuum cleaner. If you guys want to send me some money, Kirby. But anyway, you do have a good vacuum. My neighbor is a quality human being. I'll see you guys if we don't all die. Later.